Toyota Corolla production begins inside large-scale factories designed for global volume, consistency, and unmatched manufacturing efficiency. Corolla construction starts with carefully standardized materials selected for durability, cost efficiency, and global reliability.
High-volume material handling defines the backbone of world-scale vehicle production.
Material flatness and surface consistency ensure predictable body accuracy at mass production scale. High-speed stamping enables millions of identical panels with consistent dimensional quality.
Parallel press lines sustain continuous global output.
Automated stacking preserves surface quality under non-stop production conditions.
Continuous panel flow eliminates downtime in high-volume manufacturing. Large body shops support extreme throughput with controlled precision. Automated alignment guarantees uniform geometry across millions of vehicles.
Precision welding creates strong, repeatable body shells for long-term durability.
Fast yet controlled transport sustains production rhythm. Inline measurement maintains quality at world-scale output. Real-time data prevents variation across global production lines. Surface preparation ensures corrosion resistance across diverse climates. Chemical treatment strengthens paint adhesion for long service life. Electrocoating protects hidden cavities essential for reliability. Prepared bodies advance seamlessly to exterior finishing. Paint systems prioritize consistency and long-term appearance.
Uniform application ensures visual consistency worldwide.
Clear coating protects finishes under daily use.
Exterior finish meets global Toyota quality standards.
Final assembly integrates speed, accuracy, and repeatability.
Electrical architecture supports reliability and ease of service.
Modular assembly improves speed and consistency. Cabin comfort is engineered within mass production constraints. Seating systems balance comfort, durability, and cost efficiency. Door modules streamline final assembly operations.
Automated door installation ensures uniform sealing quality.
Body and chassis integration defines vehicle structure.
Powertrain integration prioritizes speed and reliability. Suspension geometry supports predictable handling worldwide.
Braking systems meet global safety regulations.
Exhaust systems are engineered for durability and emissions compliance.
Rolling components finalize vehicle readiness.
Mechanical systems are activated with controlled accuracy.
Initial activation verifies system integrity. Lighting systems support safety and regulatory compliance.
Glass installation prioritizes speed and sealing accuracy.
Interior fit balances functionality and production efficiency. Digital diagnostics ensure system reliability.
Visual inspection maintains Toyota quality discipline.
Dynamic testing validates drivetrain performance. Brake performance is verified under standardized conditions.
Weather resistance is validated for daily use.
Alignment ensures tire longevity and stability.
Presentation preparation completes manufacturing.
Drying ensures clean delivery condition.
Production scale reflects global market demand.
Traceability is enforced across millions of vehicles.
Surface protection safeguards vehicles during logistics.
Distribution operates at the same scale as production. Finished vehicles flow into global supply chains. Continuous operation supports worldwide Corolla demand.
Data-driven oversight maintains production stability.
Preventive maintenance prevents downtime. Continuous improvement sustains Toyota manufacturing philosophy. Line length reflects the scale of global car production.
Synchronization defines efficient mass manufacturing. Controlled movement preserves consistency. Presentation meets worldwide customer expectations. Vehicles remain protected until shipment.
Logistics precision supports global distribution.
Output reflects sustained world demand. Mass production never stops.
Scale defines the Corolla manufacturing footprint. Brand standards are verified before release.
Documentation completes the manufacturing cycle. Controlled transport protects high-volume output.
Vehicles leave production at global scale.
Factory design supports extreme volume manufacturing.
The result reflects the world's most produced passenger car.
Global distribution begins inside the factory. Manufacturing and logistics operate as one system.
Time zones never stop Corolla production.
Consistency defines Toyota success.
Scale and discipline define Corolla manufacturing.
Uniformity reflects world-class production control. Engineering discipline transforms raw materials into the world's best-selling car.
Inside the factory, where the Toyota Corolla is built as the most successful passenger car in history.
Honda Civic production begins inside large-scale factories designed for global volume, efficiency, and long-term reliability. Civic construction starts with standardized materials selected for durability.